How do you add location to an Instagram story? Well, let's take a look. The first thing you want to do is you want to navigate to your Instagram application. Here, you want to swipe to the left and you want to make sure that you are taking a story. So then I'm going to take a picture of this beautiful keyboard. And now I have my story. So in order for me to add the location, I want to tap on the top right corner on this smiley sticker face. And here, I'm going to click location. And here, what you can do is you can simply search where you want to be. So let's say, for example, that I am in Helsinki, Finland. So I'm just going to choose Helsinki. And then I can make it smaller or larger. I can move it around. I can place it wherever I want. But however, if you don't want to add the location any longer, you simply grab it, you move it all the way down here to this trash icon, and the location is going to be gone. So this is how you add a location to your Instagram story. Hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.